Now we are going to see the value of g at different places. G varies from place to place, and how it varies that we are going to study. We know that this is the relation acceleration due to gravity, that is equal to capital G into capital M divided by r square, where r represents the radius of the earth, and we know that earth is not a perfect sphere. Okay, but its radius are different. Why it is different? Because it is flattened at the poles and it is bulges out at the equators. As you can see, it is drawn by the dotted line. Now you can see the radius at the equator, it is greater than the radius at the pole. Okay, as the radius varies, we know that g is inversely proportional to the square of the r. Okay, inversely proportional means if one quantity is decreasing, another will increase. If one is increasing, another should decrease. Okay, now here, as radius at the pole is less than the radius at the equator, it means that g will be greater here and g small g will be less here. It means g will be maximum at the pole and the acceleration due to gravity, it will be minimum at the equator. Okay, little bit differences are there in the value of g at equator and pole, but all over on the earth surface approximately it is taken as 9.8, and how it is taken that already we have seen in last video. Okay, now when we are going away from the earth surface, as I have shown it here, if the object is away from the earth surface, as it is going away means this distance is increasing. Okay, as this distance is increasing, value of g should be less. Okay, so we can conclude that as the object is going away and away from the earth surface, g decreases. For example, I gave you here some values. When the object is 1000 km away from the earth surface, then value of g, small g, that will be approximately equal to 7.3 meter per second square. When it is 5000 km away from the earth surface, that value is 3.08 meter per second square. These are the approximate values, but you can see as the distance is increasing from the earth surface, how less and less value of the g is there. Okay, it doesn't mean that if the object is going inside the earth, then value of d increases. No, then also the value of g will decrease as we are going inside the earth. Okay, and at the earth center we can find out that value of g is 0. When we are going to come here, the value of g will be 0. When we are coming inside the earth, value of g is decreasing. When we are going away from the earth, value of g is decreasing. So what is the maximum value of g, where it is? So maximum value of g, we are going to take it on the earth surface, and that is approximately taken as 9.8.